going to eat the rainbow, as they say. But why are you eating the rainbow? Because the phytonutrients in the different foods are different. So you get vitamin A and carotene in carrots or any orange vegetable, you'll find some of those same properties. So like butternut squash or pumpkin, those orange foods. Of course, the green foods you have, especially those leafy greens, right? Rambo, thank you. Rambo says, I love some okra. Absolutely. So I can't remember if okra has calcium in it. I can't remember the specific nutrients, but that's the nice thing. When you're eating the rainbow, you don't have to like count calories. You don't have to worry about, am I feeding my loved ones? Am I being a superfood parent? How am I feeding my, nope, you don't have to worry about it. You just know that you're already doing great when you actually are consuming whole foods. Let's say if you're a vegetarian, like David Hunt, he's a vegetarian, so he tries to eat a lot of whole foods. But if David and Michelle are over there eating processed and ultra processed foods, you can best believe that's where the sugar is hiding. The sugar is in the processing. It's sort of like a preservative. They know that it appeals to people's palate,
Yeah,
and
how
that
long of an
sugar
ad
in
did I
most
choose
things
for
is what makes you
the
come back
sponsor?
for more.
Yep,
So
there we
last
go.
night,
I'm like, man, is this Laquita show? Hold on now. What's going on, Crooked Peach? Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing good today. You know how we do, doing our Saturday reviews. Another day in paradise.
Are you ready to make your grow room smarter and more efficient? We're breaking down 3 gadgets that can transform your grow no matter your budget. But first, check this out. Let's give a quick shout out to this video's sponsor, AC Infinity. If you're an indoor grower and you're looking for the highest quality grow gear out there, you got to check out acinfinity.com. They're
Don't forget to use that Dude Grows code so you can get your 15% off. You know, he getting his affiliate marketing in. Appreciate that. You see what I'm saying? Look at him. Ah, so low, boy, look like an Asian. Hey, shout out to Jeezy.
fans, grow controllers give you total control over your grow environment so you can dial things in exactly how you want them and grow stress-free. Go check out all the grow gear at acinfinity.com and use coupon code DUDEGROWS for a great deal. That's acinfinity.com, coupon code DUDEGROWS. All right, let's get back to learning some grow. All right, let's do this. I love a grow room gadgetry, man. There's a lot of technology these days coming out to help us in the lighting, vision, grow room monitor, all kinds of good stuff. Gardening tools.
Hell yeah, man. Absolutely, bro. Do you say grow room monitor? I mean, I'll take that one as the first piece of equipment. Even if it's something as simple as one of these with the little remote that you get for $15. Man, having something where you know the temperature and humidity, what's going on in your grow is huge. From a guy whose air conditioner just froze up last week, man.
Yeah, I use grow room monitors more than anything as far as my go-to when I'm looking at my phone. And setting up a room, starting a room when you know you're going to have cold nights. When my room's in my garage, I need to know, like, I literally sometimes will wake up and be checking it just for, like, ooh, comfort.
Well, yeah, man, I had my air conditioner was freezing up, so I had some emergency exhaust going, emergency venting going, and I have one of these little, I think they cost like, I don't know, maybe $90, $100, but I got like a 6-pack of these little sensors, coffe brand, and hooks up to my phone, and I can kind of see what's going on in the clone room, in my drying tent, at canopy, at your ground level. So yeah, it's pretty cool, something like that. But I checked it at 6 in the morning a couple days ago.
Anything you're using today, I feel you should definitely have tied in with your phone for notifications, because you're not always at your grow, and it can save your grow. You're using kind of an overall temp humidity controller that can be applicable for any household situation. The coffe, I think you said. I dig Pulse, man, because it's more designed for growers. And for example, within the Pulse app, you're going to get a VPD, an automatic VPD calculation and graph out so you can see, or alerts if you're outside of your VPD. You know, I geek out a little bit more since I'm going to get a monitor that's built by growers, for growers. The Pulse Zero, it just has more features for me that I'm going to be able to use. One of the biggest mistakes growers make is newbies, sometimes experienced people is light cycle interruptions. Lights coming on at the wrong time due to a power failure that you didn't know about, timer failure, a little tab going off. So the Pulse Zero has an onboard light, just notification meter to let you know after you plug in your light schedule exactly if there's an issue or not. It alerts you. Everybody, if you're using Gobi or whatever you are these days, use it with your smartphone. The smartphone is such a great ability to alert you of different things.